I also wanted to mention something personal to me. On Sunday, at the constituency conference for East Rural St. Andrew, I made some remarks which were really off the cuff and were a response to some banter in the crowd. The remarks were intended to be humorous and were not intended to be taken seriously. I realize, however, that some people have interpreted those remarks as being serious statements of my position on the matter. That is not the case, and I unreservedly withdraw and retract those remarks. I am fully committed to Jamaica having a free and fair electoral system so that our democratic elections are conducted to the highest standards of fairness. I'm fully committed to the elimination of all forms of electoral malpractice, and therefore I have no hesitation in withdrawing those remarks, which, as I've said, were not intended to be taken seriously, but apparently have been taken seriously in some quarters. Thank you.